Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Manitou Beach, Michigan, a lakeside community known for its natural beauty and relaxing atmosphere. This area has been a popular getaway spot since the late 1800s when visitors came here to enjoy the mineral-rich waters of Devil's Lake. Resorts and cottages began to spring up in the early 1900s, making Manitou Beach a favorite vacation spot for families. Today, Manitou Beach offers sandy shores, clear waters, and plenty of opportunities for recreation. The area has kept much of its small-town charm while welcoming visitors from near and far. Local shops, restaurants, and events add to the sense of community and tradition here. Whether you're here to swim, explore, or simply enjoy the view, Manitou Beach is a timeless Michigan destination. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Manitou Beach, Michigan. Thanks for watching!